are you doing? Are you not supposed to pack it first?
Hey, Jesus is Lord.
Hi. Hi. Obviously. But don't try to disregard somebody's effort just because you feel it's not your budget. Tell me your budget. If I can work with a budget, that's fine.
It's my lazy. It's my life. I got dirty. It's my life.
If you not do it, I go shout so. So guys, Mary has been here for a while now, and today I was like, oh yeah, today you are going to do practice. I mean, she has done so many practice, but I feel she must have forgotten some of the things she has learned. So I have a video transition for YouTube Shorts. So yeah, Mary does my hair. So yeah, today I said let me do my hair because Mary has been with me for like 3 months now, almost 4 months now. I'm in the YouTube shop creators community and they've given us challenges. So I feel she must have forgotten some things. So let's see how well she, because she has done so many practice. I'm teaching her how to coordinate herself in a client's presence. Oh yeah, let's go. I said I don't have time. I don't have time.
Thank you.
Yeah. Let me just sit down here. Princess treatment all year round.
Yeah. You like it like this?
No, it's too forward. Take it back. It's okay. Beauty. What is this concealer used for?
To mark where the frontal lace is going to.
Why are you marking it? Tell my subscribers why are you marking it. What are you
Just
concealer for?
so that I will not pass, like I will not be after the frontal lace, so that not get to your forehead.
What is after? What are you putting after?
Oh God! So that I will know the spot I'm going to start putting my frontal lace.
No, Mary, you are putting that concealer to mark the line of the frontal so that your glue will not supersede the lace.
Nice.
What did I say? What did I say?
He said we are putting the mark, the contour, yes, to mark the line, so that our frontal, our glue will not supersede.
Hey!
Please help me. Please help me.
Look at where you put my lace is. Look at where this ball cap is. So what are you now protecting in my skin?
Oh,
Is the book are not supposed to come? That means this is, take it back. Don't put the glue very close. Put it like no. Now why are you cleaning it? Start putting the glue from here. Don't put the glue too forward. Crying is allowed in Touch of Mercy. Mary, what has been the best thing since you were learning here? How would you rate my teaching skill from 1 to 100?
98.
So what happens if I need 2%?
The 2% is personal. Because
no, but seriously, what I've like? How would you rate my training skills?
It's not fine. That's the best. If it's some people, it's just for them to collect their money. I beg you, like you don't learn. So I collect my cash. So, but you must learn. But sometimes you have mood swing.
Of course, if I don't have mood swing, who am I without having mood swing? I mean, if you know me personally, you know that my mood swing is out of the roof. You put the glue here. Let's start from here. Don't use that. Why are you using? When I have this, why are you using that? Hi, Mary, I told you now it's too close. Don't put it too close to that line.
No, it's not close. Oh,
see, start it from here. This place that I put it now. Continue like this. Put it by the edge of the board cap. Out of all the things that you've learned from me, what is the best thing you've learned?
Best thing that I know, yes, I'm proud of. Even when I know the basics before, I would have said revamping, but no. Ventilation. Especially close. Because I hear words. No. Even when I traveled to Benin, I was thinking of ventilation. Hey, God, how will I finish this thing?
If you did not learn, what exactly they're coming to do? You must learn, no? How will you rate my personality as a teacher?
Cool. Gully.
Hi, God. I'm listening.
Coolorish.
What is cool? Is that how to describe somebody?
Perfect. No, perfect is too much. You God, the only God that is perfect. In terms of teaching, I give you thumbs up. You must come and register. Oh. We are looking for a student. Oh. Come and register. Oh.
Just make this installation fine. That's all. You see that it's drying clever.
Yeah.
What's the best thing you learned in installation?
You see my jotter on top installation, almost 4 pages.
Priority.
All these things that you say, oh dryer, good, all this thing like this. I used to put it down.
But what's the best thing you like when you're installing somebody's hair?
Installation, I don't like it. You used to put me attention. No.
If you are not concentrating when installing, your client installation will not come out nice now.
The tension is too much. So you use cold air. Don't use that air. Oh. Cold air. Why are we using cold air, clients?
How will the client know why I using cold? Obviously. How will your client know why I using cold air? Nobody ask person nonsense question, no.
So I should use only one.
So use that love beauty, I beg. Use love beauty only one layer, then we'll not use melting spray.
But you not affect the shaft.
No. So why are you putting second layer?
That is stick there. That's old.
How many layers would you like to put for a longer install?
3 or 4.
And how long can that last if the client maintains the installation?
More than 1 week.
So let's say for an instance, a client comes to you and say, oh, my installation did not last long. What will be your response?
Did you put water on your head?
I did not. What's the next response?
Were you sweaty?
I was not sweating.
I will take our photo.
Good.
I'm crying when you answer that question.
Somebody came to you and trusted you to do their hair and it does not last. You're supposed to offer a solution. You say, okay, it might be that water touched it probably, but you can come in for us to reinstall it again for you. But please try not to mess it up. Try not to allow water to touch it until after 24 hours. Because honestly, installation might be flawless, but it might not even be you as a stylist. It might be the glue. Probably the glue is no longer strong, or probably the client, some client actually lie. Some client will say, oh yes, I didn't allow water to touch it, but water actually touched it. But I mean, you will not know. So what you try to do is to prefer a solution. Be like, oh okay, it might be that water touched it, but maybe you didn't know, or maybe you sweat but you didn't know. But you can come in for a reinstallation. Either you do it for free or you do it for quarter of the price, not half, quarter, like that will be very little. So I'm going to tell ask the person long question, because I mean at that point you're already upset, because I've had a bride that, and I saw that everything was perfect. She now told me that her research on the hair was lifting, and I made sure I did everything perfect. But I think what I did not do was I removed the band before the makeup artist did her makeup. So with the whole coat, the makeup put was all that's exact. So yeah, so you have to make sure that that band is tight very well until after the makeup artist does foundation. Because I mean they can still blend the foundation to her skin later on, but just make sure that all those skin prep, all those things are not touching the lace. You see, worry this one.
You could start from the middle.
You can start from anywhere. Start from the middle, especially if you have the widow's peak, the W have been an M shape. Then sometimes I start from the side, especially if I see that one part of the ear is longer than the other part. Make sure that the lace is directly on the glue. The only thing you have to tell your client to do is this ear tap. Any other thing is not their problem. You're not supposed to blow dry it immediately. Sometimes this thing does not need to dry clear like that, because you know that this ear tab, it decrease. So what you do now, once you see that there is a bit dry, just place it down, because I feel the more white it is, the better it sticks well. What you would have done is you would have put glue here, then put glue. So after you finish doing this one now, you will not come here and place this one down.
You get it to it.
I think your client to hold blow dryer. You are showing yourself now. I'm sure you have forgotten. Just now, you quickly remembered.
That's a soup now.
And clients, they need to make the installation easy for the hairstylist. This is accurate compared to the one you did.
Have you guys seen my C? May I see you sing?
Me, I cannot allow somebody to do my hair. Come here, I go fight tire.
Because you know, so you go talk for everything. You go tell the person say no, they do away.
This is what I want. I have to see. Let's
You love
see.
it.
Let's
Too
see.
much.
Let's see how she gets. If she gets it right. So now you do this one for me. Let's see.
You love it too much. You can put fear in somebody's skin.
Because you're not getting it now. This is not the first, second, or even the fifth time we're doing installation. What I'm telling you, it's too much.
It's my thing.
Thank God. People now is in a mental case.
It's my
They're the one
thing.
that is making me stressed. That thing you put in is too much. Mary, give me.
Sweet now.
Oh yeah, no.
I was like, where am I calling to? Mommy.
How am I going to get the calls to sleep on the bone?
To sleep on the bone. Wait, don't say anything. Let I will remember. I will divide it into two after I pack it.
Is that how I taught you?
Oh,
Continue.
wait. I think I remember. Oh God.
Don't that it's natural for human beings to forget things if you don't practice it.
My waist, my back, everywhere.
Rubbish.
Jesus. You have your gas sister. Your gas sister go here.
They know now. Mary, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you not supposed to pack it first?
Hey, Jesus is Lord. I said, the day I will do, I will call you video call.
It's so special. All I feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're my home. Just so you know, you're mine for sure. You're mine for sure. You're mine for sure.
Is it frame bar? Everything is in frame bar.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, continue. Headache. Remove it.
Let me see. Let us never met me. Please.
You know you're supposed to be fast, but because you're supposed to dry it immediately.
You tell me to want to try.
Why would I do that? Mary, that thing is too thick now. Use your hand and blend it in like this. Press it down very well. What thing they do? Are you massaging me? See, I'm looking like a bride. Period. Once you remove the pin, when you pin it like this, you can put 2 or 3. Then you, this is fine. Period. I love it. Do you like this style? Do you like this? Do you like the way it looks? Or we should do the side swoop? I think I would like the side swoop. See now. Do the side swoop. My people. Do the right thing and you will not need to be tired. Oh yes, okay. Hi. The makeup don't spoil. This is the front. You do it after you makeup has finished. The makeup don't spoil with that now. Front way. How can the hairstylist charge you? You are saying, is it not just to wrap hair? Have you guys seen how many hours we used to do this hair? Are you seeing the techniques and how we try to maneuver it? If a bride tells me, oh, it's not just wrap hair, I'll tell them, so you can do it by yourself. It's not that deep. If you don't want to book me, that's fine. But you cannot reduce my work all because you say is it not just wrap hair because I'm charging you. But don't try to disregard somebody's effort just because you feel, oh, the person is charging you too much, or maybe it's not your budget. Tell me your budget. If I can work with a budget, that's fine. But the hair slay girl.
That's so cute. I like this bag. Are you ready?
Ready, oh. And this is the final look, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please comment down below, because I mean, like, I am passionate about what I do, and I want to make sure that people that learn through me, or people that learn with me, should be able to perfect their craft better. Just know what you're doing, because I mean, as you can see from the video, I try to encourage them and push them, even though I am being mean, which I am not, because I do it out of love. And I always try to make sure that, okay, everybody is learning, everybody is following up. If you don't understand, you let me know, because I mean, I am not a monster. I always try my best to make sure everybody is following up from what I am teaching, because I don't want to waste my time, and in return you are not doing the work, you're not putting in the work. So I always try my best to make sure, okay, everybody is well on the same page. You understand this? If you don't understand, let me know. They are not completely perfect, but I mean, with time, it takes time. Also with time, she will definitely perfect her installation, her bridal styling. Hopefully next time she won't forget that she needs to like hold the hair up before actually rolling the bun. So yeah, that's one of the things that I have learned or have seen in my bridal styling journey and teaching people. So yeah, if you want to learn personally one-on-one on bridal styling, installation, ventilation, revamping, please follow me on Instagram at Touch of Mercy, and you can also comment down below. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned one or two lessons from it. So yeah, if you did, please like, share, and subscribe to your friends. Tell them to come back and watch this video. If you are an upcoming hairstylist, you guys just calm down and learn your craft well, because I mean, nobody is perfect. I'm not perfect, and I am still learning as I go, so you can also learn as you go. But yeah, with gradual process, you are definitely going to get there.